Get my baby daddy back. Buy for me. Buy for me, yeah. Buy for me.
Welcome to another video. How you guys doing? Hope y'all doing good today, man. It's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful day, man. Check it. Beautiful day. Bright and everything. Yesterday was kind of bleak. It was terrible. It was all ugh. But now I just came out and I saw this. Look at this. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay. You lit. Boot up. Boot up. I'ma have to get that tucked under the fenders. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go for a drive. I was going to get some GoPro footage, but my GoPro just died. Like, it won't even start up. So I'm gonna have to get another one. That sucks. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I did a little bit of cleaning. Change out all my hose. Still looks a little crowded, but I'm gonna do my best, man. I'm gonna try to take my time and get this thing cleaned up. I'm gonna take these AC lines out. I don't even use the AC, so I'm gonna get these lines out, compressor out, get the hose. You know what I mean? Because you know where we're going after this. You know what it is. You already know what it is. So yeah, so I'ma just get that done today. This may be a short video, but I had to post, man. I had to post. It's been too long. So let's get it. Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this fender off. Take this fender off and try to use some zip tie to get it right. I think my side marker is out also. There's so many wires all over the place. I'm gonna have to get a new wiring harness. My buddy said he gonna make a call and see if he can get one for me, so I'm just waiting on that. Gotta get this little screw right here too. This is where the handy dandy short screwdriver comes in, bro. I had to get me one of these. Silly me, so I just figured out how to move it. All I did was just slide it up, slide it back. See the grooves? Just slide it over these grooves. And all good. Yup. So gotta get this nut out also and take the fender off and get to tucking. I don't know what I'm doing again. Oh man. But I'ma try. Man, this is funny, but this has to be the worst wire tucking you have ever seen in your life. Get a montage on this crap. I do not know what I'm doing. I hope everything works, man. So now I'm gonna put it back together, but when I was removing the side skirt, this bolt broke. So I'm gonna just drill it out, use a screw extractor and get it out. Yep.
Look at this.
Dang it.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I don't have a punch, because if I had a punch, it would be way easier. That's what I need to add to my kit, a punch. So now everything's back together. I tried to extract that stud, did not work. Result, broken drill bit. So I just left it alone. Now I'm gonna go pick up a idle air control valve because this thing is not idling properly. Like, I don't know. So that's the next thing to try. I had a vacuum leak before. I put back the original gaskets, tighten it up, and it went down, but still got this bad idle. So that's the next thing I'm gonna try. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So that's how it sounds. So I'm gonna try that idle air control valve. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know. What could it be? And that's the end of the video. Tell y'all this was gonna be a short one. Hope you can hear me